My name is Jason Hahn. I'm a global reliability and process manager for Amsted Automotive, which includes being the account administrator for all of our eMaint accounts. Amsted Automotive is one of Amsted's entities, specifically in steel automotive components, predominantly in clutch assemblies. We've set up standard dashboards for all of our accounts. And within those dashboards, they're kind of broken down into 4 basic sections. At the top of each dashboard, you're going to have basically a machine status monitoring report. And when you open that dashboard, there's 2 reports that show up. One is every open machine down type work order for the maintenance technicians for a quick reference of anything that's machined down at that moment. Underneath that is a list of any open safety tickets. Our teams get together for a quick 30-minute walk out on the floor. We call it a gimbal walk. So when it comes to the maintenance portion, when the maintenance department comes up, they literally go right to the dashboard that we created in eMaint. It tells them instantly all the information they need for that activity that day. So it's instantly telling them what machines are down at that moment. With eMaint, we have it set up where we have web requesters. I have QR codes published and printed right on the asset tags. If you're a team lead or a shift supervisor, you literally just pull out your phone, you scan the QR code, and you're putting a work request in within seconds. So in general, when I think of Fluke connectivity, for us, the tie-in would be our ability to do machine condition monitoring routes within eMaint, which then automatically trigger upper and lower limits. We have routes set up where we do monitoring points, whether it be concentration of our coolant, thermal imaging, or acoustic with sound. We can enter those values or even import an entire list of those values right into eMaint, which then goes right into our monitoring, our equipment monitoring data points, which then in turn would generate work orders if appropriate. So that's pretty cool. At most of our Amsted facilities, for example, when we're measuring downtime, we're at 99% uptime in most of our facilities when we're looking at the number of down hours associated with our parent asset counts. Our facilities, in most cases, are at 100% PM completion. Now everything's in one place, being triggered by the same software that we store it in. And so it's basically a circle of life, if you will, of predictive maintenance for it.